Hi teacher, today I'm talking about animals. I'm going to compare the lion with the elephants. The lion. The lion is a mammal, feline and carnivorous. They are from Africa and India. They are wild animals. They are quadrupedal and predatory. They have a tail large. Their coat is short and yellowy. They sleep 20 hours per day. They walk for 2 hours daily and 50 minutes to eat. The pregnancy during 110 days in average. The lioness lives approximately 12 to 14 years and the lion lives 8 years. The lion achieves a speed of until 60 kilometers per hour. The day of lion is 10th August. The elephants. The elephants are mammals. They are herbivorous. They are from Asia and Africa. The elephants are the biggest animals that dwell in the land. The snout is the principal support tool for can feed and bathe. They are quadrupedal. They have a little hair. They have a hairs big and their eyes and head are little. They love the sand and the mud. They sleep among 3 and 7 hours per day. The elephant lives approximately of 60 to 70 years. The elephant achieves a speed of until 40 kilometers per hour. The day of elephant is 12th August. Comparisons. Okay, the elephant is bigger than the lion. The elephant has livelier than the lion. The lion is wilder than the elephant. The elephant is taller than the lion. The lion is sleeper than the elephant. The lion is the angriest than the elephant. The elephant is heavier than the lion. The lion is lowest than the elephant. The elephant has bigger fangs than the lion. The elephant is more intelligent than the lions. The elephant has the largest snout than the lion, and the lion is faster than the elephant. Finally, I'm going to say my opinion about the lion and elephant. In my opinion, the lions and elephants are very beautiful. They are so cute. All lions have to live in the savannah, and the lions shouldn't be in danger of extinction. Elephants have to live in the scrub because they are free. Thanks.